Hello all, my name is Krish Naik and welcome to my YouTube channel. So guys, just a small raw video for everyone of you out there. I usually keep a habit to have a conversation with various people who are preparing for different roles in the IT industry. And this conversation that I specifically have where I try to understand their problem, I try to understand how they have overcome various situation and probably made transition into the industries, what all path they have specifically taken to achieve this, and this kind of conversations helps me to understand what is currently happening in the industry. And since I really give a lot of career advice, so this conversation actually helped me to also provide advice to the others what steps to specifically take. Now I hope you have seen the title of the video. The title of the video is that it is easy to start something, right? But difficult to, and we can keep any number of blanks, right? Difficult to complete, stay focused, stay disciplined, probably focused on achieving that specific goal. It can be multiple things. This video, I really want to share one conversation that I had with one of the person who is right now working as an intern in one of the company as a data analyst, And if I see the story, if I see the entire conversation that had happened, and if I see that entire transition that the person has actually made, it is quite amazing to think. And the title that I have actually written, right, it fits perfectly for this, So the person had completed his engineering somewhere in 2022, okay, and after completing his engineering, obviously he was not able to get the job because he was coming from a third tier college itself, and there was no placement in the college itself, right? Then after that, what happened is that he again prepared for the data analytics industry itself. For the next 6 months, he started looking for jobs, okay? And he gave couple of interviews, but he was not able to crack them. And obviously in everybody's point of life, there will be one situation where people will start thinking, hey, if this is not working out, I should probably try this. And that is the reason he started working for this. He started preparing for the government services exams also. Then 1.5 years, he devoted in this. And over there also, he gave his 100% with respect to the preparation, And there also he was not able to be successful. And obviously when our parents, right, when they see, hey, after probably completing your education, you have not done anything for 2 years, right? And that is really, you are missing out 2 years. Then the parents suggested, hey, do one thing, prepare for both the things, right? Obviously your career gap should not increase, wherein you really need to focus on getting a job, yes, whatever field you are really interested in. And he said that, hey, I want to really go into the data analytics industry. So he started preparing for data analyst, and he also started preparing for this government services exams. Now that there was a time when he started preparing, right, for the straight 6 months, he devoted his time completely for the data analytics industry, since he was preparing for the data analyst part over there, right? Now currently he's working as an intern. Okay, he was able to make a successful career transition. So I specifically asked him, okay, so in this point of time when he had this 1.5 to 2 years gap, right, 2 years gap specifically, what all path he thought of making this specific transition and preparing for the data analytics industry. He simply said, sir, Krish, I have seen your videos. You have shown so many number of successful career transition. And this successful career transition stories helped me to understand or learn many things, because I have also uploaded successful career transition from where people have made successful career transition for having a career gap. And right now they are having a full-time job. And trust me guys, history teaches you a lot of things, right? History basically means what? People who have already achieved. So that is what we basically see from a successful career transition stories. We get to learn a lot of things, what to do, what not to do, right? So when you get this kind of learnings, it becomes easy and it helps us to understand, hey, I have to specifically take this specific path. So the person, what he did is that when I had a conversation with him, he said, Krish, I just tried to make my entire roadmap with multiple paths, right? Who has already made this kind of transition for having a career gap into this industry, what all specific path he or she took it, right? So all the path he basically took it. And then which path to basically follow, which path was feasible for him, he started working on those specific path itself. And trust me, he actually demonstrated. He was saying me, hey Krish, I went with 8 to 9 different paths. So the first part was that just focus on internship so that I can actually reduce my career gap. Second part was that I will try to find out the differentiated skill right now, which is not available in the market. I'll try to focus on that along with the skills that I am working in so that my recruiter will specifically get impressed. Third part is that I'll try to create some amazing end-to-end projects. So those projects I'll be able to use in my resume and explain to the people, explain to the interviewer why I came up with these specific projects, right? One path can be open source contribution. I'll try to contribute in such a way that, and I'll keep on sharing the knowledge in my LinkedIn, because through this way, I may get some kind of referrals, right? So I'm just giving some of the examples. The person may have also taken some other path, right? There were 8 to 9 paths over there. Now, because of this planning, you are now focused. You know where you really want to go, how you want to really achieve it. And I feel everybody should have this kind of strategy while preparing for things. And that is what I feel many people are missing it out. People are not preparing with respect to that. If you have that kind of strategy, trust me, it will definitely work out. And what has happened after this? After you prepared this one, the person has said in the first interview, he was able to crack that particular internship, even though he had a career gap. He had reasons for everything. He told why I had a career gap, right? He told how did he fix that career gap, how he is now fixing that career gap, everything. And then what was his preparation of plan? How did he achieve it? Everything step by step he did. Now, this is where you really need to understand. Once you have set up your goal, right? As I said, it's not like he just started a data, he just started to prepare for data analyst, just recently or 6 months back or 7 months back. When he finished his college, then also he started preparing, but in middle he left it because there was a mind change over there, right? So it is very easy to start something, but very difficult to stay focused, disciplined, stay in that part so that they will be able to achieve the goal, right? What you really need to do is that make sure that you prepare in that specific way. If I want to really achieve it, I need to be disciplined in that specific manner. I need to follow a path. I need to prepare that specific path. And once you are able to do this, specific planning, trust me, you will be able to crack anything in your life. As I said, guys, this is a raw video for everyone. As you're starting your day, this video will be definitely helpful out there and you will be able to do really amazing things in your life. We are human beings and we are born to solve problems. We are born to solve not only problems, but we are also born to find out a way to achieve anything in our life. And that is what the research that is currently happening. It is happening based on that. We are trying to solve a new problem each and every day. So come with a conclusion, come with a mind thinking that anything is possible in this world. You just need to work on that. You need to come up with a plan. That's it. So this was it from my side. I hope you like this particular video. I'll see you all in the next video. Have a great day. Thank you, one and all. Take care. Bye-bye.